air dominance fighter Sukhoi 30 MKI is a modern fighter aircraft capable of decimating adversaries in the air with a wide array of weapons. Tejas, the indigenously developed and manufactured aircraft, is a lightweight multi-role fighter. The MiG-21 Bison is capable of undertaking air-to-air and air-to-ground roles. The Mirage 2000 is an all-weather multi-role fighter jet capable of engaging hostiles in air and ground. The MiG-27 upgrade is a very potent air-to-ground strike aircraft. The MiG-29 upgrade is an air superiority fighter aircraft that carries a variety of air-to-air and air-to-ground armaments, making it a lethal machine. Jaguars are dedicated ground attack aircrafts with supersonic capabilities.